We'll guide you through how to install the WhatsApp app on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you're wanting to go and get WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of my favorite messaging services out there because it goes and uses the internet. I can go and message people abroad at no extra cost, whereas it would if I used a traditional SMS. And it also is on the different platforms, iOS, Android, etc. And this is really good as well because of course there is iMessage on an iPhone, which is Apple's messaging service for other Apple users. But with WhatsApp, I can go message people with different types of phones over the internet. We can have group chats, we can send media on there and do loads of different things. So we're going to guide you through installing it and how you can get started with setting it up. So first of all, we are going to need a connection to the internet on our phone. So what you can do is go and open up settings. You can go and find Wi-Fi. You can see I'm currently connected. Now you can go and use your mobile and cellular data, but you may be limited with how much you've got and the speed. So if you've got a Wi-Fi, go and connect your router. I already am. Now, what we need to do is go and locate the store on our device, where we can go and get apps from. This is called the App Store. It's this blue icon here. You can always drag down and go and search for App Store, and then you can go and open it up. But I've got it here, so I can just go and tap on it like so. You can go and get loads of different apps in here, and we can go and get started with it. So you can go and see I've got my Apple account signed in the top right. It's likely you already do, but you do need to go and have one in order to go and get apps. Press search in the bottom right. That's the fastest way. And then you can press search at the bottom. Go and type in WhatsApp like so and go and search for it. We can then go and get WhatsApp. There is business, but we're going to get WhatsApp Messenger. So go and press the button to the right. Mine's a cloud icon. I've had it before, but you may go and say get. Go and tap on it, and then we've got it. And what you can then do is you can press open, but it's going to be added onto your phone. As you can see, there it is. Tap on it and we can go and open it up. We need to go and read and agree here and press agree and continue. Then we can go and allow notifications. You can go and enter in your phone number here and go and get started with the account setup and start using it. Leave a like if you found this useful.